update 2023.32.1. It says this release contains minor improvements and bug fixes. And then, but when I looked online, someone said that there was like improvements to the camera colors. You know, some even reported there was like a bluish purple hue to it, but still looks better than the yellow. I don't know. I'll see for myself. If there's any updates, I'll either attach this video or put in the description. But yeah. Alright guys, so it's true what I read. In other words, is basically like a more of a realistic colors to it. It's more to true colors. Where before it was like a yellowish hue, it would feel like a bright yellow. Where here, I mean, I don't know, maybe it looks better looking at it in person, but in here you have a more of a natural color to it, you know. So they did a good job with that, in my opinion. It looks a lot better, you know. I know some videos I would edit the video and just put the magic whatever it is and it automatically changes the colors, and it kind of gives it more like this color. So the fact that it's giving this color naturally, that's even better. If there's anything else, I'll probably note it in the description or whatever, but I think basically this update, I'm surprised they didn't note this in the update, you know, in the notes. And they just said minor, yeah, I guess this would be the minor bugs or whatever, performance fixes, but to me this is major because it's better to, again, it's better to have videos that are, you know, more true to life, I guess. But yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Take care. Oh yeah, that's another thing. The red looked more red. You saw that car that just passed? That was like a red color. And where if it was before the update, you would have seen like an orangey color. So the colors look more true to life. At least for the red. I think that was the most noticeable one. The red looked like the orange. But let's see what this color is. Black. Yep, see? And I was just looking at this camera first before I turned over to the left. But yeah, thanks for watching. By the way, the driver has it on autopilot, so I'm just a passenger holding the camera as he drives. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, take care. Alright guys, I'm telling you this right now. I mean, I don't want to like exaggerate it, but it's definitely huge. But it's noticeable. I'll leave it like that. It's definitely a noticeable difference. Nighttime and daytime. It looks more like true colors. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's not what color is that? Yeah. Okay. I mean, you know, the reds still look a slight bit, tiny bit orangey. Like it's not true red, but it's definitely more of a like it has more of a natural color than what it did before. Definitely huge improvement. I definitely say is a go. I'm surprised they don't list this in the updates, but definitely noticeable. You guys see it. Hold on, I'm gonna look at this side. You see the cars coming. You got a blue. That's that blue right there. Gray, blue. I want to see the noticeable ones that was always the red that looked like orange before the update, but here you still see a little hue to it, but nothing like what it was. Other than that, every other color looked like the way it's supposed to be, you know. The silver, you got the white, the black. Is that black? I just want you guys to see the green. You see, it's that type of green. There you go. I mean, not so bad, to be honest with you. It looks a little right. All right, guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, take care. Oh, you guys told me it looks red. Looks more red, I think so, right? Compared to what it actually